Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube platform. Today we will study about ICSE 9th Mathematics, very important topic, changing the subject of formula. Right? So let's begin. In this, what we do, we change the subject of formula either by transferring the side from left to right or right to left, or squaring, or by taking square root or cubing, which any technique which we people have learned in previous classes, right? So let's begin. This is given to you, p equal to m upon m plus n, right? And now you have to change the formula in m. Make m the subject of formula, the subject formula. Then what we do, simply multiply pm plus pn equal to, and take common terms like same side, show, right? And now this is pm, so m minus pm equal to, right? Taking common m, this become 1 minus equal to p n, so right is m equal to p n upon 1 minus p, right friends? So this is your formula, p n upon 1 minus p. And now let's take another case, another question, right friends? Question is given to you, t equal to 2 pi L upon G plus K. Make G the subject of formula. Make G the subject of formula. Subject of formula. Right? What you will do? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What you will get? T square equal to T square into L upon G plus K. Right? Rearrange the terms. You will get T square upon 4 pi square to L upon G plus K, right? And now G plus K equal to what? 4 pi square L upon T square, right? If you want to make it this, then what you will do? Transfer this K that side, right? You will get G equal to 4 pi square L by minus K, and simply G equal to 4 pi square L minus T square divided by T square, right friends? Now take another question. If it is given to you S equal to 2 pi R plus H, right? And V equal to pi R square H. Express S in terms of VHR. Express S in terms of capital V, h and r, right? So what we will do, and this is s equal to 2 pi r and r plus h. और हमको करना क्या है कि जो ये s express s in terms of p, h and r, right friends? So divide both. What you will get? S oblique v equal to 2 pi r divided by pi r square h. Pi and pi will cancel out, 1r will cancel out, the h by v equal to 2 by r, and bring the weight r plus h, और एक h भी नीचे रहेगा, राइट फ्रेंड्स? अब इसको हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा इसको और चेंज करिए, h इक्वल टू इट बिकम ट्वाइस ऑफ r प्लस h अपॉन एच आर, और इधर आप भी कर सकते हैं, एक और साथ ला सकते हैं. You can write it as h equal to twice of v into r plus h divided by this, right friends? So friends, in this class we will end this session over here, and in next class we will solve some more questions. And dear friends, I would also like to say that if this lecture is useful for your preparation of exam, then subscribe for latest notification, and share to your friends, and write your comment in comment section. Thank you class.